desktop plays a very important
Mobile phone. You have to talk about mobile phone.
Okay, mobile plays a very important role in our life, day-to-day life, as we are easily getting connected with our peoples, both inside and both abroad.
Next, water bottle.
As per the topic, which I have been provided in the overhead project here, is a tree. It seems that I remember that I am going to my ancient age. The birds are flying over here and there. It's look a very beautiful picture. The tree, it symbolizes the world of peace and greeniness. In our entire life, what we are doing and what we have to do is to preserve the trees, and we have to save the tree. As our Narendra Modi has already said that stay green and stay healthy. Stay green means we have to keep the place neat and clean, and apart from that we have to see that our environment is also green. And for this, the helpful thing is, the one and only thing is the tree. In our day-to-day life, we used to cut the trees, and we are using the wood from that in our daily uses of life, which is very bad as a one point of view. We have to limit that things. We should always try that we should save the tree. We have to conserve the energy, as the tree uses the sun sources. It uses the light of the sun in the mode of using photosynthesis. The leaves of the tree are the green. It uses the mechanism of photosynthesis, and it provides from our ancient days, till nowadays. Baba Ramdev, what he says that कि अगर हमको योगा करना है तो कहीं खुली जगह पे करना है. खुली जगह का मतलब क्या है कि clean environment and green environment. And the best place for doing the yoga is the tree itself. If we are taking the shelter from the tree, it will be very much helpful, as it provides the oxygen in a lot, and it also helps as it takes the carbon dioxide from us, and again it uses in the form of oxygen. So we are very much helpful to God that He has provided us this beautiful tree, the greenliness. It gives us the shelter as a human being. It also gives the shelter for the animals. If you see over the slide there, it gives that the birds are flying very high, and some birds are sitting over on the branches of the tree, on the trunks of the tree. And what I assume from here also, that the tree is getting a very small source of soil. It seems that soil erosion is taking place here, as we are cutting in day to day.
Good afternoon, dignitaries, and a very good afternoon to Muthu sir, and to where my flowers has gone. Okay, only one flower is left there. Two flowers are there. A very good afternoon to all of you. And myself, Rajesh Kumar Srivastav, I am working in Quality Assurance Department. Today I have got one privilege to talk about one beautiful topic, which I can show you here, as I have written thirst, प्यास. दिख रहा है सबको वहाँ पे? कहाँ कोई नहीं. थर्स्ट, हमने बहुत सुना कि हमको ये खाना चाहिए, हमको ये खाना चाहिए, पिज़्ज़ा खाना चाहिए, बर्गर खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए, लेकिन किसी ने ये बात नहीं कि हमको क्या पीना चाहिए. थर्स्ट, फील ए नीड टू ड्रिंक. हमको जब प्यास लगता है, हमको कुछ चाहिए रहता है. टू हैव ए स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर फॉर समथिंग. हमारे पास किसी का चाह है. किस चीज़ का डिजायर है हमारे पास? एनी गेस?
Water drop.
इट्स थोड़ा जोर से.
Water drop.
बॉटल तो रखा हुआ है ना.
नहीं, water drop.
वाटर. ठीक है. मैं क्या सोचा था, कोई बोलेगा बियर चाहिए, ये कोक चाहिए रहेगा, ये सब चाहिए रहेगा. बट थैंक्स, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज वाटर. We all are वाटर क्रिएचर्स। मैंने क्रिएचर वर्ड्स क्यों टर्मिनोलॉजी यहाँ पे यूज किया? क्रिएचर मीन्स इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर बोथ मैन एज वेल एज फॉर एनिमल्स ऑल्सो। Why I have chosen this topic? Water मैंने क्यों चूज किया? The reason behind is that it makes up 60% of your body. हमारा जो body बना हुआ है more than 60% of water. Am I right?
Yes.
Thank you. 70% of your brain is made up of water only. 80% of your blood is made of water. हमारे पास जो मोर्टेलिटी, जो फ्लो प्रॉपर्टी मिल रहा है हमारे बॉडी को, इवन ब्लड को, ब्रेन को, इवन द ऑक्सीजन कंटेंट, इट कम्स फ्रॉम द वाटर. सो आई एम चूजिंग दिस टॉपिक. खाने के बाद हो रहा है, जैसे हमारे विजय ने बताया था कि हमको खाना खाना चाहिए. वी कैन गो ऑलमोस्ट ए मंथ विदाउट फूड. हम एक महीने तक विदाउट खाना रह सकते हैं. We can survive 1 week without water. Comparatively अगर आप चेक करेंगे, हम लोग अगर खाना नहीं खाते हैं तो एक महीना हम लोग रह पाएंगे, और लेकिन पानी नहीं पिएंगे सिर्फ एक वीक. द रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर जो होंगे, कि जो ऋषि मुनि होंगे जिसके ऊपर हमने रिसर्च किया हुआ है कि ठीक है वो 10 दिन, 20 दिन, 40 दिन रह पाएंगे, लेकिन दैट इज रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर. What condition forms the problem for water? Actually हमारे पास वाटर का प्रॉब्लम किस लिए हो रहा है? हमारे पास हमारा मेन मोटिव क्या रहना चाहिए कि we have to save water as much as we can. One statistical data which I have not derived from myself, it has been derived from Discovery Channel. One toilet flush uses 3 gallons of water. हम लोग जो flush out करते हैं, it uses about 3 gallons of water. If you convert it in liters, it will be about 12 liters of water in US terminology, and in UK terminology it can be about 15 liters of water. Single laundry, that 14 gallons of water is wasted in one washing machine. We are talking about this. I have got 6.5 kg of washing machine, automatic washing machine. पर हमारा water wastage कितना हो रहा है उसमें? This is the approximate data, about 14.
ड्रिंकिंग वाटर के बारे में प्रेजेंट किया, लेकिन पृथ्वी पे है कितना बचा हुआ?
हमारे पास 70-80% जो वाटर है सी वाटर है, लेकिन उसमें से जो 0.003% वाटर जो है हमारे पास वो पीने लायक वाटर है. दैट इज ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. यू कैन से अबाउट 1% अप्रोक्सीमेटली.
From where we can get the pure water from nature?
From nature, I think that is if you're asking about some fruits or something like that. So that is borewell, rivers, lakes, spring wells, and one of the finest example is the icebergs. When it get melted, you can get the water from there also. Thank you very much.